Bonjour. Bonjour, je m'appelle Daryl Kim Baclayo. Jaiwan Ans. J'habite à Saint-Sabangal Norte. Je suis né 23 Nomelka. Je suis residente BSIT Electrical Technology in Universal Memorial State University. Tapos, Jem Juan Basketball Yoko and Jadur Ensen. Okay, the 5 things I like or want discover about plants. First, discovering their delicious corrosion Inscar and Macaron's number. Number 2, Eiffel Tower, an iconic symbol of Paris. Number 3, exploring their history. Paris. Number 3, exploring the rich history, especially. Number 4, understanding the beauty of French of language and improving my French skills and lifestyle. Number 5, participating in local festivals and experiencing their authentic way of life, authentic way of life. That's all. Thank you. Born a Primidi Buongiorni.